Asian Games 2022 silver medalist Jyoti Yaraji fails to qualify for the semi-finals after clocking 13.16 seconds and finishes in the 7th spot. She moves to the repechage round on 8 August at 2:05 p.m. Indian Standard Time where she will have another shot at making the semis. The top three from the heat qualified to the semis. Sarvesh Anil Kushre gives his all but is unable to qualify for the mains high jump final. He finishes his Paris 2024 campaign in 13th spot in Group B with a leap of 2.15 meters. Javelin thrower Anu Rani fails to qualify for the finals. She ends her Paris Olympics 2024 campaign in 15th position with a best throw of 55.81 m. Antim loses her round of 16 match by technical superiority and a scoreline of 0-10 at the Paris 2024 Olympics to Turkey's Yetgil Zeynep. The Indian table tennis team consisting of Manika Batra, Srija Akula and Archana Kamath give a tough fight before going down to Germany by a 1-3 scoreline. Srija Akula and Archana Kamath lost to Yuan Wan and Xiaona Shan 5-11, 11-8, 10-12, 6-11. Manika Batra lost to Annette Kaufman 11-8, 5-11, 7-11, 5-11. Archana Kamath defeated Xiaona Shan 19-17, 1-11, 11-5, 11-9. Srija Akula lost to Annette Kaufman 6-11, 7-11, 7-11. Mirabai misses out on a medal at Paris Olympics 2024. She lifted 88 kilograms in snatch and 111 kilograms in clean and jerk and gave it her all but couldn't end on the podium as she finished fourth. Alan Thapa and Sunil B.S. wonder strikes and a penalty conversion in between them by Pradeep Singh helped the Indian Army football team secure all 3 points against Assam Rifles FT in a Group D encounter played here at the JRD Tata Sports Complex. With this win, the Army men moved to second place in the group for the time being, behind Jamshedpur FC, who have a better goal difference. Indian Super League side East Bengal FC registered their second consecutive win in the Durand Cup 2024, defeating 10-man Downtown Heroes FC 3-1 in a group A game at the Kishore Bharati Krirangan in Kolkata. 3 goals were scored in the first half of the match. Afreen Pere equalized with a goal following a spectacular free kick by Madih Talal, only for Saul Crespo to restore the home side's lead with a penalty conversion a few minutes later. Substitute and youngster Jason TK capped off the victory with a fabulous solo strike in added time for the red and golds.